This is Jolly Roger Troy Kiddie rides. Before you ask, I'm gonna do this for 5 taps. This is gonna give me. Sorry, I was coughing. Before you ask, I'm gonna do this for 7 rides. So let's go. Because I wanted this video to give likes. That's all. Yeah, I thought I haven't done this for ages. So why not do this one? Just wait. Wait for that message. 2, 3. Four. There we go. You remember Jolly Roger in 2004? I did a license. Yeah. But there's Thomas over there and Scoop. Thomas is going off. There's a light there. It looks good. There's Manlo over there. I was going to do that, but oh well, never mind. I might do that next time, to be fair. It's just I thought I haven't filmed this for ages actually, to be fair. No! Pop a filter. Just wait. Mine is going to have a trap mode. So let's see if I can get on it. I bet I can't. It's not that busy around here, which is good. Let's see. I might not. I might be a bit too big for this Kiddie ride, to be fair. Oh. Yeah. You'll hear the door in the background. The last when I came here, the music was quite loud. The music wasn't on, but now it is, for some reason. Get his mirror over there. It's the first ride. It's much closer over there. I might do that next. I'm not sure. Some people call it Tractor Ted. I'm not sure why. There's a digger over there. I don't normally film that. Maybe I might do next week. It depends. If I'm bothered. The icon over there is going to be moving. Someone tapped it. Yes, we done over there. The timers are going off again. Oh! Both rides. Well, someone's had another go on the line in before he moves. That's weird. Yeah, apparently I've got college tomorrow, sadly. No, Bobby Builder. You have 2 more chances. If you say come and fix it, then I won't be happy with you. I'm telling you. I can't be bothered to just interrupt, apparently. There's one car over there. I don't normally film that, because it's an arcade. Your fun fact used to be a mega city, but not anymore, outside. Because apparently people were about to climb on it, that's all. Oh! It's a fifth ride. Oh. I'll try to do the normal version of Heavy Rocket PRV with several rides someday. Hopefully. There's some units are mute for some reason. I don't know, it's some ridiculous reason. If I never like it's got another go. Because someone tapped it twice. I'm not sure why. Get this boy's face. I love his face. It's a bit cute, actually. I do like Troy's face, actually. It's always quite dark here. It's always like this. If Heavy Rockets are gonna move, if you're wondering. What's that car there? I'm just gonna have a trap mode. For 6 rides. Anyone see anyone wants to see the light? Here it is. Look. See? And Scoop's light as well. I'm gonna get his pushman sound. What about Bear's light as well? I'm just showing you that, guys. That's all. Yeah, fun fact. I went to Southend yesterday with my friend Olivia. Actually had to go on Thomas nicely, along with Magic Castle and Peppery Rocket. No, not on last time. Yeah, feel free to laugh at that, if you find that funny. So last ride. But what are some message from Lightning McQueen ever be quiet? I keep doing that for some reason. Normally loads of people. Yeah, normally I usually get a free ride on Lightning McQueen loads of times. Actually, I don't know why. I wish Amy Tech had a trap mode. That's why. I'm just wishing about that, to be honest. It doesn't for some reason. Along with the Frontland, Kiddie rides and Bethco for some reason. Imagine if another Scoop came here. I just imagine. Yeah, that was Jolly Roger Standard Tour de Kiddie rides with 7 rides.